Welcome back. Now let's say you have a table of records of staff, which include their name, their sex, department, address, and the rest. But let's just say this is just a sample. For this learning purpose, we just capture 3 columns only: their name, the sex, the department. Now we have about 27 staff here, and you want to know, let's say the table is large, like 400 rows, 500 rows, 700 rows, 600 rows, as many as possible. You need to count a particular data on the table. For example, look at our example here. You want to count the number of female, number of male. Also want to know how many staff are in sales department, how many are in IT department. When we are counting, what we use is Countifs. So the first thing you need to do is to select the entire table and enable create from selection, which we have learned earlier. So we have done that. So let's start. Countifs. Now count column 6. You can see that it has selected it. And what do you want to count from there? You want to count male. Close the bracket. Sorry. Close the bracket. We have 15 male. Okay, let's see for female. Countifs. First column. What we are counting is female. Okay, close the bracket and press enter. 12. That's 27. Now we have 27 records here. 27. When you minus the first column, the first row either, that's 27. Now let's use the same example to know how many staff are in sales department. Same example. Countifs. Sorry. Department, this time around, is the column we are counting. And what are we counting in that department? Sales. In quotes. So there are 7 of them. Okay, what about IT? Let's do it. Countifs. Department. We are counting IT. Okay, let's see. There are 4. Hope you understand Countifs. See you in the next video. Take care.